Hello traders, the title of this video is How to Swing Trade on the Monthly Chart like a Pro. The financial instrument that we are analyzing is Stochastic Therapeutic Incorporation. The EPIC is CTMX, Charlie Tango Mike S-Ray. And we want to talk about how one can swing trade the monthly chart like a professional swing trader. Okay, as we are using word like a professional, we want to follow the correct step. All right, so you want to know the steps and you want to follow them consistently. First you want to accumulate the knowledge, and then you want to practice until you gain the skills to do it properly. It's like we go to university, we learn the theory, and then we go to the workplace. We are trained to apply the knowledge that we have gained through our education. All right, so we want traders to do exactly the same thing on YouTube. You watch the video, now you try to understand everything, then you practice before going live. Okay, the Stochastic Therapeutic Incorporation belongs to the healthcare sector, biotechnology. Now, on the monthly chart, talking about swing trading, we want to go directly to the point. All right? The first thing that we are looking for is a trading setup. Is there a trading setup? So I've told traders before that on the monthly chart, look for double top and double bottom chart patterns. Now, the double top is about a validation of a resistance level. The double bottom is a validation of a support level. If you want to swing trade on the monthly chart, remember what I said just now: double top, double bottom chart pattern. Those are the number. Those are the best trading setup that you want to look for, because the hedge fund are trading it. And the big financial institutions are trading the double top and the double bottom on the monthly chart. You see, it's all over the place. So now that I'm on the monthly chart, I have my favorite chart pattern here. My double top, very simple. So here it is home. Now, how do we go from here? So we have a double top. So common central line is kaput. So after this candle here, look carefully. So you have to see it's settled nicely. You see here, we have this doji. No, this one is a hammer, followed by a doji, inverted doji here. Uncertainty at the second point of the double bottom chart pattern, and then this one was bullish. So after this candle here, we have now a double bottom chart pattern that is being formed. It's not yet completed. All right. So, but after this candle here, we can start trading it, or even after those two candles here. This is what they call one up, one down. I'll be recording a video about this candlestick pattern, one up, one down. So you see here the shadow on top and the tail below. That's what we call one up, one down. Okay, on the monthly chart, it's a candlestick pattern. So we have two verifications: the double bottom validation support level, and also a bullish candlestick pattern, one up, one down. So now I'm happy with my trading setup. So we look for trading setup. The next thing that we need to do, we must now apply a top-down trading method. What? So talking about top-down trading method, because if our trading setup is on a monthly chart, because we are swing trader that wants to swing trade on the monthly chart, looking for trading setup on the monthly chart, we will now implement a top-down trading method. Which means the trading setup is double bottom. Now we go to the daily chart for the signal. So we are here. This is the double bottom that I draw on the monthly chart. Now we are here. We are looking for a signal. As you can see on the daily chart, which is the signal time frame for the monthly chart, we have a signal here. This is the signal here. See on the daily chart, this one goes down near the double bottom, all right, and then it breaks above it and retests it here. This is the signal. Remember that when we are talking about the signal, it's not yet a time to enter the trade as a swing trader. All right. This one, after this candle retested here, so we draw a line. We say priority to bullish signal above $10.28. Draw that line there. prior to bullish signal above $10.24. The reason why you need to do that, so you can control the risk. You want to buy at a support level and you want to control the risk. Now that the signal is in place, now we go to the hourly time frame for the entry. So I know why you are thinking. You say, George, hourly time frame for the entry. Are you out of your mind, George? Now, I can understand that, but we can break it down from the hourly time frame all the way to the 10-minute time frame. But I'm just going to stop here on the hourly time frame. So on the hourly time frame, so you can see that this has happened for some time. So you can't see. So you see, I'm talking about my left-hand side. So has been few months ago. So all this blah blah blah. But before that, on the hourly time frame, we look for similar signal. Do you understand? Okay, let's go back to the daily chart one more time. So this is what we are calling a signal. Okay, on the hourly time frame, we'll look for something similar like this, and if we see something similar like this, which means break above retest or a bullish chart pattern, or an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, beautiful, on the hourly time frame. At the time when the price is retesting this point, if we see a bullish chart pattern at the retest point on the hourly time frame, that will constitute our entry. But if we do not want to enter on the hourly time frame, we will now use that entry on the hourly time frame as another signal. So normally, don't get confused. Monthly chart for the trading setup, daily chart for the signal, and hourly time frame for the entry. Okay, so now you say, all right, I don't want to enter the trade on the hourly time frame. Then you have to use that hourly time frame as a signal again, which means if you see like this on the hourly time frame, breakable retest, you say, I don't want to enter on the hourly time, so you use that as a signal. Then you go to the 10-minute time frame and you look for something similar again, bullish chart pattern, inverted head and shoulder chart pattern at the retest point, okay, double bottom chart pattern, or breakable retest, or price forming a higher low, okay, those will then you will enter the trade on a 10-minute time frame. This is about how to swing trade on the monthly chart, but I haven't finished yet. So as I explained to traders before, in order to improve your swing trading, there's one more thing that we do, but I want you to get the message quickly. That's why I go fast, okay? Monthly chart, we look for double top, double bottom chart pattern. That's my favorite. Those are my favorite chart pattern, all right? Or we can look for candlestick pattern. This is one here, one up, one down, okay? I'm talking about candlestick pattern at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. Check it out, all right? Once we see a trading setup, either a double top, double bottom, or candlestick pattern, we implement a top-down trading method. Monthly chart, trading setup, daily chart, signal, hourly time frame, entry. Break it down to a 10-minute time frame. But there's one thing we can do before we implement a top-down trading method. So once we see the trading signal, we see the trading setup on the monthly chart, we can quickly look at the higher time frame, quarterly chart, and yearly chart to see whether this double bottom chart pattern is valid also, all right, on the quarterly chart, or is there a bearish trend taking place on the yearly chart. So you want to check the bigger picture by going to the higher time frame, quarterly chart, or yearly chart. So if I break it down one more time, I will say, all right, look for high probability trading setup, and then go to a higher time frame to validate that trading setup, then implement a top-down trading method. Now, traders that have been following and know what I'm going to say next, okay, without the fourth part, without ignoring, okay, the trading a triangle. Now, if you want to swing trade like a pro, you must follow the trading a triangle. Now, in fact, I'm the only one that talk about this on YouTube. Now, some trader may say, Joe, no, you are not. Okay, that's why. But if you hear something about, look for a video about trading triangle by Joe Trio, you hear me talking about whoa, blah, 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 blah. So now, let's do it properly, okay? We've been talking now for how long now? Okay, let's check the time. 9 minutes. So we wanted to keep it very short. The market first. though we are trading the Cytom Therapeutic Incorporation, this is an American stock. Though we are trading this individual stock, the first thing that one is trading is the market, and that market is what? The S&P 500. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, it's the S&P 500. So we say, though now you want to buy, you see, okay, it's already, George, I'll get it now. Now you must check the S&P 500. Is the S&P 500 bullish? If the best scenario the best scenario that we will expect is for the S&P 500 also to display a bullish trading setup. That would be great on a monthly chart, all right? Or a trading signal is in place for the S&P 500, bullish signal. Then we will align our swing trading, okay, of the Cytom Therapeutic with the S&P 500 because we are expecting the market, okay, to go up. Therefore, we are focusing on bullish portfolio, bullish, okay, watch list. All right. But if the market, for instance, we've done all this homework and everything is ready, we put this stock on our bullish watch list. The next day we come, we say, all right, good. We want to buy this stock. It's good. All right. But now we look at the S&P 500. It's bearish. Don't buy. If you are swing trader, don't trade against the S&P 500. Don't buy anything. Wait for the market to become bullish, truly bullish, and then buy for swing trading purposes at the time when the market is bullish. The next thing that we look at, that we trade after the market, is the sector. This is what we are talking about, healthcare sector. So what's happening in the healthcare? What's going on? All right. So we have a change of administration in the United States. The healthcare sector is a big issue now. Recently, people have been selling them because of some discussion from the President of the United States. So you want to know what's going on with the healthcare sector. Go to Google for now, check the healthcare sector. All right. Is the market sentiment towards the healthcare sector bullish? At least. All right. So you want to weigh a little bit the risk that you're going to take. All right. It's not too complicated. It doesn't mean that you have to know everything, but you want to know what's going on. All right. What can affect the trade you are about to trade? That's all. So market first, sector before the individual financial instrument, in this case, Cytom Therapeutic. And then apart from those things, did you say, George, it's too complicated? Okay, we look at the market leaders belonging to that sector, and we check the economy news relating to this stock, Cytom Therapeutic, and the fundamentals, performing Google Acid test for Cytom Therapeutic. Google Acid test, check a video about Google Acid test by Joe Trio. We compare the short-term liability to the current asset, all right? And you are checking the economy news relating to this stock, you are checking the fundamentals relating to this stock, and you check the market leaders belonging to that sector, healthcare sector. So those are the things that you need to do. So find high probability trading setup on the monthly chart, double top, double bottom. Those are my preference. Or candlestick chart, candlestick pattern, all right? And then you validate that trading setup on a higher time frame. Then you implement a top-down trading method, monthly chart, daily chart, hourly time frame. You can break it down to the 10-minute time frame. Now you do not want to forget the trading triangle and the economy news, because if you follow 1, 2, 3, and you do not follow the trading triangle, your swing trading will be round. This is the missing puzzle of a successful swing trading. All right? Have I said enough? All right, so I'm going to remove some of my thing because we want to keep it short. All right, so trader can watch it when they are having their supper very fast. All right. 15 minutes. So they say, Joe, sometimes the video is too long, you take too much of my time. Say, all right, relax, please. Okay, so now again, here, now I'm going to show you some of the thing you can look for. So we talk about double top, double bottom chart pattern. And here, this is a beautiful example. Here, you see you see this tall candle. So you have to know how to analyze the candlestick pattern now. Now this candlestick pattern, this candlestick bar is very, very bullish candlestick bar, because you can see the closing price is near the high. And also, if you see the range of that candlestick bar is long. So no one can deny that it's quite bullish. After that, the price did open here, and people start selling, because those who bought it here start taking profit, and then more buyers came in and joined them, and they pushed the price all the way up here. So the last buyers, all right, went too far, and as the price reached these levels, this zone, there were sellers. How do we know? The shadow here, you see the shadow of this, telling us that all the smart money say, no, you push it too far, you people, you greedy people, you push it too far, all right, you shouldn't, all right. Look at it. With that information alone, you see, with this kind of, after this long bullish followed by this shadow on top, what's going on? People are not prepared to buy it in this zone anymore, because the stock was very, very bullish. Now, as it pushes it too far, it's rejected. This is a rejection. Now, you want to analyze the candlestick pattern carefully on the monthly chart, and use the candlestick pattern also like a trading setup on a monthly chart, and then you can implement your top-down trading method. Here it is. Now the following month, after this candlestick by form, we can implement a top-down trading method to trade it, to sell it down. This is what has happened here. All right. So I don't want the video to be too long. I will be recording another video, and we will be going a little bit deeper, looking at different aspects of swing trading on the monthly chart. If you have any question or suggestion, do not hesitate to put in the comment section. I do read all the comments, okay? And in due course, I will be busy recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about how to swing trade on the monthly chart like a pro. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.